Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share an easy and simple hummus recipe with sesame seeds, along with a refreshing cucumber salad. I have prepared the cucumber salad as a topping for the hummus, which is completely optional. However, I highly recommend it if you are looking to add a fun twist to your regular hummus recipe. Let's jump right into the recipe. First, let's prepare the cucumber salad. You will need finely chopped onion, chopped cucumber, chopped tomatoes, and some fresh coriander leaves. For the dressing, add salt and pepper to taste, olive oil, little lime juice, and a touch of honey. Mix everything together well and then set it aside. Now let's prepare the hummus. I have already got everything ready, including the cooked chickpeas and other ingredients. To cook the chickpeas, I soaked them overnight and then pressure cooked them until soft. Take 1 cup of cooked chickpeas and add it to a blender. Next, add 1 chopped garlic clove. Then add 1 tablespoon of roasted sesame seeds, salt, pepper powder, and paprika powder according to your spice preference. Add 1 tablespoon of lime juice. I also need to add olive oil here, but I forgot, so I will be adding it later. Make sure to reserve the water in which the chickpeas were cooked, as we will need a little bit of it, or you can use regular water. Blend everything together until you achieve a creamy consistency. Creamy and simple hummus is ready. You can serve it just like this, but as I planned, I will be serving it with the cucumber salad. Here is how I served it. I drizzled a little olive oil on top of the hummus, sprinkled some paprika powder, and then added the cucumber salad around the edges, just like you see in the video. Finally, I garnished it with a little paprika powder and sesame seeds. I served the hummus with tortilla chips, and the cucumber salad really complemented it so well. It was super refreshing, but of course, it is totally up to you how you want to serve it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more similar videos. Thank you.